Hello everyone. Today let's make mangane, a very traditional Goan sweet recipe. This is super simple to make. You can find this on festive occasions. Wash and soak 3/4 cup of chana dal for about 2 hours. Soaking the dal makes it cook faster. After about 2 hours, add 2 tablespoons of cashew. This is broken into smaller bits. I'm also going to add about 2 tablespoons of raisins or kishmish, and optionally also go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of coconut chunks or katleche kudke. Now add enough water to cook the chana dal. The level of water should be about the level of dal, about this much. We are now going to pressure cook it until the dal is soft, about 1 whistle on high flame and 2 whistles on low flame. For the coconut milk, use about 3/4 cup of freshly grated coconut and add about 3/4 cup of water. We are not adding too much water in the beginning so as to aid the grinding process. After the grinding is done, add some more water and then start extracting the coconut milk. Remember that this is the thicker coconut milk and this is not to be added initially during cooking. We are going to add it once the mixture comes to a boil. Do not discard the coconut as we are going to use it for the second extraction. Look, this is a thick coconut milk. This is about 1 cup. Now go ahead and use the coconut from the first extraction. Use same amount of water and extract the coconut milk out of this. This milk is going to be thinner than the first extraction. So this is the thin coconut milk or the second extraction. We are going to use this for the initial cooking. Look, this is about 1 cup. Now going back to our pressure cooker, let the pressure drop naturally. We want the dal to be very softly cooked. This is the texture that we are looking for, very soft. Add the thin coconut milk from the second extraction to the dal. Also add some salt to taste. Coconut milk based sweets definitely need some amount of salt. Now we are going to cook this on medium flame until it comes to a boil. As the dal is cooking, lightly go ahead and mash the dal. Don't make the entire dal into a mush. Lightly mash it here and there. This gives a nice thick texture to the mangane. Once the mixture comes to a boil, add the thick coconut milk. We are also going to add about half a cup of jaggery. Adjust the sweetness based on your preference. Once the mixture comes to a boil, I'm going to be adding sabudana, which was washed and set aside for about 2 hours. We are going to cook it only for 2 minutes. Switch off the flame and then add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mangane gets better with time. Do not worry if it looks a little thinner in the beginning. It's going to get thick as it cools down. This is the consistency that we are looking for. If you like this recipe, definitely let me know in the comment section. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.